Hi, this is Brad with Copper Creek Cuts, a lawn care company in Northeast Florida, and today I'm going to be narrating this video for you. You see, we've got a very weedy backyard. This yard has some St. Augustine grass in it, but by and large it is mainly weeds. This is a regular maintenance client of mine. However, because of the winter months, I haven't visited their property. Something I'll probably change. I think this one can't go, 3 months without getting mowed because of the weeds. So for this year, if I retain them as a customer, I'll definitely recommend monthly visits during the months when things aren't growing, which around me is November, December, January, and February. Now, this is a very good customer, and at least for me, what a good customer is somebody who never really complains. They don't really ask me to come back and get and miss spots. Now, whether that's because I don't miss any or because they just don't care if I do miss any, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I don't miss any, but there's always a chance that I do miss it. But the point is, they're good customers and I like them. So this type of yard would definitely be an overgrown yard, which would carry an extra fee. I don't want to charge them that. I'm still charging them the regular bi-weekly mow rate. So as kind of a compromise to make my life easier, I am cutting this at the highest setting on the mower. Well, I lied. I think 4.5 in transport mode when the deck is all the way up is the highest. I'm cutting this at 4 inches. So if it looks a little long, that's why. But in my mind, it still looks better than it did before. And as we start back on the schedule, we'll start adjusting that back down to the, 2 3/4 or 3 inches that I normally cut it at. I'm not sure which. The BOB-CAT did really good with these weeds. What I found, the discharge chute has to be up. If you put that discharge chute down, it just can't clear the clippings fast enough, and it does a real bad job. So the blades were relatively new. They weren't the sharpest. That would have helped a little bit better. And the lip of the BOB-CAT's deck is down. This BOB-CAT has an adjustable deck lip that you can raise up and down, and obviously if it's up higher, that's better for taller grasses. So I think the BOB-CAT did really well. Just saying it, there's a couple things I could have done to make it do even better if I would have sharpened those blades and raised that lip. But a question I get asked a lot is, why are you cutting like that? You don't know what you're doing. You're obviously not a professional based on how you cut. And my answer is always the same. The way I cut on camera is not that way because it's the best way. It's because it's what shows up best on camera. A yard this size, it wouldn't look good if I just set the camera up in one corner of the yard and did long, pretty stripes back and forth. Or even, the most efficient thing to do, which is just go around in a circle, always shooting, always discharging towards the outside so you never cut up your own clippings. But I can't do that when I'm filming because it doesn't look good. I'm too small on the screen for too long. So that's something that people don't normally think about. They just look at it from their point of view, which is not one of filming YouTube videos. So there's a little piece of trivia for you why I cut the yard up into sections and mow like that, because it's the only way to get the mower and the grass big enough to be satisfying. Now at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and close my trap, and aside from the conclusion, at the end, I'll let you enjoy the mowing in peace. So now we're done, and here you can see some before and afters. If you'd like to see any other videos, there'll be a few that pop up on the screen that YouTube thinks that you might like. Please consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell. Otherwise, YouTube won't let you know when I upload new videos, and you'll be so sad that you missed them. So just go ahead and do it now. Just click, 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 click. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it.